The first production examples of the new BMW 7 Series rolled off the production lines at the BMW Group plant in Dingolfing today. It was a double debut, because both the fully electric BMW i7* and variants of the BMW top model with state-of-the-art combustion engines celebrated the start of production in the Lower Bavarian plant. Milan Nedeljković, board member for production at BMW AG, our new BMW 7 Series is the first luxury sedan in the world where customers can choose between three types of drive. Whether it's a purely electric drive, a combustion engine or, in the future, also a plug-in hybrid, thanks to our flexible production structures and outstanding integration expertise, we are able to efficiently present this variety of drives in production. The BMW Group has invested more than €300 million in the Dingolfing vehicle plant for the production of the new BMW 7 Series. It is thus driving forward the transformation of its largest European production site into the BMW iFACTORY with its lean, green and digital thrusts, and is thus consistently pursuing the model of BMW production of the future. With the BMW 7 Series, the BMW Group is piloting the automated maneuvering of new vehicles in the factory environment for the first time and is thus optimizing its processes in assembly and outbound logistics. After the start of production and the supply of the dealer organization with exhibition and demonstration vehicles, the models of the 7 Series will be available to customers all over the world from autumn. With the BMW i7 in particular, the BMW Group is continuing its electric offensive in the automotive luxury segment, for which the Dingolfing site symbolizes. Board member Milan Nedeljković, exactly 1 year ago we celebrated the start of production of our BMW 9 here. The next milestone follows with the BMW i7. And next year we will follow up with a fully electric version of the BMW 5 Series. In doing so, we are accelerating the ramp-up of e-mobility and electrifying our core model series. At least 1 in 4 BMW automobiles built in Dingolfing this year should have an electric drive.